So my brother and his best friend are heading to Daytona Bike Week 2014. It's next week, Saturday, March 8th, and they're bringing their bikes. My brother has the Suzuki Bandit 1250S. It's an '07, and his friend has a brand new 2013. I think it's a 2010 actually, Yamaha Warrior Midnight Edition. 1700 cc's. It's a big bike, but they're heading to Daytona Bike Week.
Where we are, there is still a ton of snow. As you can see, there's 4 to 5 feet here. And I'll just take you around back where we shoveled this out yesterday to dig out the shed so we could get the bikes to the trailer. And as you can see, there was quite a bit. I don't know if you can see here, but it's just my waist.
It was a bit slippery on street tires, but my brother got her done.
Can't wait for this white stuff to be gone.
So that's the trailer my brother rented, and it's obviously not a bike trailer. So we're just building a couple racks for the front tires to slide in so that the bikes can be strapped to. That way they won't go anywhere. Front tire is going to slide in here. We had to cut a notch in the 2x4 so that the front disc would clear the 2x4 and not hit it, so that the clearance would be good.
That is one of the smoothest trailer I've ever driven with. Stay straight with the truck all the time. And we also have about, if I can't stop moving, that's how long we have to go. 10 hours, 52 minutes for sunny, short weather. Shorts weather. See you guys later.